Hello, my name is Ray Conti. I work with Statewide Real Estate out of Upper Marlboro, Maryland. I guarantee to get a contract on your house in less than 30 days or less. Guaranteed. I have systems in place that will bring a minimum of 40 to 50 buyers to your home over a weekend. I also have a buyers list of over 4,000 people seeking to buy a home in the Maryland area. I also have access to unlimited funds of grant money that can help these buyers get in with little or no money down. That's the secret to me selling your house. I have a pool of buyers that have access to grant money that's available to get them in with little or no money down. And I have been called the super agent because I can get this done in 30 days or less. For your free consultation and to find out if your home qualifies, call Ray Conti at 301-996-3989. And feel free to visit my website. It's www.raycontee.com. And Conti is spelled Contee. And feel free to download my free 63-page home buyers manual on Facebook. You can get that at facebook.com/Maryland Foreclosure. Get your house sold now. Call Raymond. Thank you.